Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oceana and I'm back with another makeup look for y'all.
We say it's up, then it's up. Perfect timing, drop the diamond in my cup.
So everybody's been doing this old Bratz challenge, so I figured I'd take a stab at it, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I came up with. Well, I didn't come up with it. I copied off of Sasha. Me and Sasha been like this since the beginning. I used to love Bratz, bro. We was on Bratz hard. I even had the head where you just do their hair. I used to pretend like I was a mom doing my daughter's hair, you know, like, be still, you know what I'm saying? The point is, I love Bratz and I still do. So when I heard about this challenge, I already knew I had to do it. This is what my version looks like. I hope I did pretty okay. If you like it, if you want to see more, go ahead and keep on watching. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's be friends, boo. And let's get right on into the video. Okay, so her eyebrows are a little bit thinner than I usually do, and they're more, I don't know, fuller towards the beginning of the brows. So that's what I'm going to do, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make this look as much like Lil Sasha as I can, okay? First of all, I love Bratz growing up. That's first and foremost. Like, I was obsessed, and I even used to watch the show that used to come on. Anybody used to watch that little show come on Saturday mornings? They just made me want to be a bad bitch because they were like the first bad bitches, the first cut creases I ever seen, and their eyes was like this, and I wanted my eyes to be like that. I don't know. They were like so bomb. To achieve my eyebrow look just like Sasha, I'm using my Bare Minerals brow pencil in the shade dark brown. And like I said, I'm just want to keep it a little bit thinner than I usually do and make sure it's nice and full towards the beginning of my brow. Something like this, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do that to the other brow. To clean up my brow, I'm using my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 340, just so it can look nice and neat and to make my brow a little bit more thinner. I'm just blending everything out with a regular old eyeshadow brush. To prime my lid, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I love this concealer because it really dries down to a matte finish and it really makes my eyeshadows blend out nice and seamless. The first color that I'm going into is that dark blue that I was pointing to, and I'm just going to place it right in my crease, really packing on my color first and then blending it out. And as you can see, I'm doing like a flared out type of look, you know what I'm saying, because Lil Sasha was looking like so. I'm going to take that blending brush I just showed you and really take that lighter blue and blend out those harsh edges. This step is really important if you want that gradient look for the blue. So I'm taking a clean brush, well, semi-clean brush to really blend out the edges further, and I'm gonna mix that black and that dark blue color in a smaller brush to really give my look a little bit more depth. I want it to be really dramatic, and when I cut my crease, I still want, you know, those blues to show up. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. This is something essential for artists. I have to tell y'all, like, if y'all are a makeup artist, y'all have clientele, all that stuff, this comes in handy. From that wonderful lip palette that I was just raving about, I'm taking that dark blue shade, mixing it with the white, and I'm going to be cutting my crease like so. I wanted to use, you know, something different as my base, just so I can see if my colors will be, you know, nice and vibrant if I use more of a blue undertone. And I'm taking this beautiful blue for my lid shade, using a fluffy flat brush, which really didn't work for me. I recommend using a flat brush like like you see I'm doing right here. I got this one from Bare Minerals. It's just a flat detailer brush. And now it's time to remove that tape. And look how good and nice and sharp everything look. For eyeliner, I'm using my NYX black eyeliner. This is my favorite and it's really inexpensive. It's probably only like $5 max if I must be honest, and I think I got it from Walgreens. So don't sleep on NYX, boo. They have a whole little area in Walgreens now. So I sprayed my brush with a little bit of setting spray and I just dipped it in some silver glitter I got from the beauty supply to achieve this look. So no glitter glue was included, so you do not have to use that. I'm taking these cheap lashes I got from the beauty supply and I'm priming my eye. I'm priming my face with optical illusion primer and using my Chanel Le Teint foundation. This foundation is bomb. For concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. This is so bomb. This pretty much just contours your face like when you put it on. And I'm just blending it out with my Real Technique foundation brush, which is also bomb. And I got that from Ulta, and y'all know those are inexpensive. So I'm going to be patting that into my skin and using smaller brushes to get those smaller areas on my face. And I believe I'm going to be using my sponge to make sure everything is blending out. And to set my face, I'm going to be using my Chanel powder. I believe that I didn't show it, but I just wanted to let y'all know, just, you know, if you were wondering. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face with the Ruby Kisses finishing powder. Again, I got that from the beauty supply as well. Don't sleep on the beauty supply, y'all. They got some good stuff up in there. So I'm just doing the 3 motion on my face and really warming up my face and giving it a little contour. For blush, I'm using the Pink Me Up blush from Bare Minerals, and I'm placing that right underneath the eye, right on the center of the cheek. So I'm gonna go back into that lip palette and really use that white color for my under eye. I'm using that white shade to really open up my eyes a little bit more. We all know Bratz have some big old eyes, so I just want to sell my look a little bit more, and I know doing this step is gonna help. Mascara is from Bare Minerals, just to make my eyes look a little bit fuller. Alright, in the picture, my girl got a little glitter right here, so I'm gonna put me a little glitter right here. So I have to use my favorite highlighter for this look by Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills. I know for sure this is going to have me glowing and making me look very doll-like, because we all know Bratz got some bomb-ass highlighter. So I decided to go in with my white liquid eyeliner to make my eyes pop a little bit more. And I'm really focusing this product on the inner corner of my eye. Just be careful not to put too much, because I did get some in my eye and that shit hurt. And it almost ruined the whole thing. And I almost cried for real. So just be careful. So now time to set everything with my Mario, whatever it's called, setting spray. And I'm going to place that beautiful highlighter right on top. For my nose, I'm going to be using a smaller brush, same highlighter, to really make sure I get the highlighter in the right spot. So I bought these, and I'm going to be using these stars to put underneath my eyes. And I did get this from the beauty supply. So if you're looking for something like this, check the beauty supply first because it was like $2. To apply my little stars, I'm going to be using a little bit of glitter glue to dip it in. And I'm just going to, you know, just place them there. I'm using a little nail design thingy to do so. And I'm just doing a little detailing. All right, it's time to do my hair. Hi guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look and you haven't already, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And tell your friends to come over here. Come over here and check me out. You know what I'm saying? Till next time I see you. Bye.